Welcome to our tutorial on how to make BFF and Valentine's Day paper rings. In this video, we'll be showing you step by step how to create these fun and unique paper rings. Before we begin, gather the following materials. A piece of paper measuring 3 by 2.5 inches, or 7 by 6 centimeters. A pencil, an eraser, scissors, a ruler, a glue stick and some coloring pencils. First, take your piece of paper and fold 0.4 inch upwards at the bottom. Next, repeat this step 2 more times, so you will have 3 layers of folded paper. Now it's time to let your creativity flow. Start drawing whatever design you'd like. If you want, you can go back and look at the 3 examples in the beginning of the video or follow this one. Once you've finished your drawing, use the coloring pencils to add color to your design. When you're done, you can use a black pencil or pen to darken the outlines to make them stand out. This will give your ring a more finished and polished look. Once you've finished coloring and outlining your design, it's time to use your scissors. Carefully cut around the upper part of your drawing, leaving a small margin of paper around the edges. When you have done this, you need to glue the folded pieces together. Now it's time to attach the 2 ends. To ensure a perfect fit, fold the 2 ends of the paper around your finger and put a mark on the bottom end where the top end lines up. This will be where you need to apply glue. Apply the glue and press down firmly to ensure a secure bond. After a couple of seconds, the glue will have dried and you will have a beautiful paper ring that fits perfectly. We hope you enjoyed making these rings. If you did, please like and subscribe and leave a message telling who you made a ring for. See you next time.